Hello students, this is Amit Tiwari, your economics teacher. Students, in previous video we have discussed about the problems which the process of human capital formation is facing, and in today's video we will discuss about the education as an essential element of human development process. As we all know that education is an essential element of human resource development, and education employs the process of teaching, training and learning, especially in schools and colleges, and education improves the knowledge and develops skills. However, if we compare India with other countries of the world, the spread of education in India is not very encouraging. Literacy rate in our country continues to be very low, and as per the census of 2011, barely 74.04% of population is literate against 90 to 95% literacy in developed countries of the world. So we are far behind the rate of literacy which is existing in the developed countries of the world. Education and literacy are not identical terms. Exactly, there is a difference between education and literacy. Education is a much wider concept than literacy. Literacy just refers to the ability to read and write. If a person who is capable of reading something and is capable of writing his or her name, address, etc., he will be treated as literate. Whereas education provides a wider concept, and it encompasses three parameters like primary education, secondary education and tertiary or higher education. All educated people can be literate, but all literates cannot be necessarily educated. If a person can merely write his or her name or can read, cannot be treated as educated person. So this is the difference between education and literacy. Now importance and objective of education. So education produces responsible citizens. If a person is educated, one can expect that he will be a responsible citizen. He will act like a responsible citizen. It develops science and technology. If you are educated, the scope of your thinking, the horizon of your mental abilities will be increased, and you will be able to think critically, think analytically, and this will help to develop science and technology. It facilitates use of natural and human resource of all region of the world or all region of the country. If a maximum pool of human resource is educated, then the natural and human resource will be efficiently and wisely used. It expands mental horizon of the people, definitely, and it also helps economic development through greater participation of the people in the process of growth and development. more and more people will be educated, results in more and more participation in the economic development of the country. It also promotes the cultural standards of the citizen, and it develops human personality also. There will be a huge difference between two people, say one is educated and other is not educated. There will be a huge difference in the way he talks or the way he react to a certain stimulus. So somehow education develops human personality. So students, this is for today, and the remaining part of this topic we will discuss in our next video. Till then, have a good day.